Waltons was founded in 1878 by E.C. Walton. E.C. was a lecturer of beekeeping who sought to make affordable beehives for his students and other farm buildings.
When Waltons first started as a company, producing farm buildings, which was basically poultry houses, cow sheds, pigsties, all that sort of thing.
As the new century started, Waltons expanded their range to include garden buildings, primarily summer houses, which were thought to be a cure for tuberculosis. It was around this time that E.C.'s son E.D.L. took over, expanding the factory and expanding productions. Bungalows became the new spearhead of products for the Waltons range, with a 100-year-old bungalow still standing near the factory.
In the lay-by there was 4 or possibly 5 timber bungalows in the lay-by, and they were owned by Waltons, and some of the Waltons employees lived in those.
The East and the South became a focus during the years of the Second World War. During these years, Walton was taken over by the Ministry of Defence for storage.
All the railway tracks that were in were put in by the Ministry of Defence, because this was taken over as a munitions store during the war, because it was you got the main line running at the back of us.
In the 60s, GDL took over, angling the company more towards sheds, summer houses and greenhouses, patterning a greenhouse design with unbreakable glass. It was also during this period that an ahead-of-its-time modular house was a front-of-page feature on the Sunday Times.
When I started, Jeff Walton, what was the grandfather, was still running the factory. Nigel and Barry were still at school. Late 60s, early 70s was when they took over from their father.
With Nigel and Barry taking charge, the company led the march into the computer age of the 70s, while other manufacturers such as B&Q and Wix were starting up, 100 years after Waltons was founded. The change didn't stop there. Over the years, the factory doubled in size, expanding to meet their growing customers. New designs for their featured products such as sheds, summer houses and greenhouses are a feature of gardens across the country. Today, Waltons is known for its quality design, experienced craftsmen, value for money and are guaranteed to provide the highest quality of customer service.